Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 Super Sport car, guys. Awesome car. I bought this car. Actually, this is the second car I bought from this gentleman. I bought a blue car, 66 Chevelle from him, actually when he started to restore this. He restored this car. He completed it in 2017. Car's out of Kentucky, good solid straight Kentucky body. He said it's got less than 2,000 miles on the restoration, did a complete frame up. Very cool car, guys. Big block, aluminum headed 454 underneath the hood. Corvette 5-speed, 12-bolt 373 posi, vintage air. So it's definitely set up to cruise. Pretty color combination. This is Bolero red. It's got red vinyl interior. I love the red. And like I say, just a nice car, man. Pretty paint. So it's a 4-year-old resto. There's not a whole lot you can really pick at. I've seen a couple of little touch-up marks, but pretty doggone nice car, guys. You can see where he touched up a couple little spots. Chrome and stainless is nice. It's got pretty paint. Again, real SS car, true 138 Super Sport. The only thing I did to this car, well, as we dig into the interior, I'll show you that. He had a black insert. I just could not stand it, so I ordered all new seat covers. Matter of fact, Don at DNA Interiors redid the seats for me. Brand new front and rear seat covers, all new foam padding. Did a great job for me. Yeah, there's a spot that they've touched up. Again, not trying to pick it to death, man, but I try to, anything that I see, I try to show you. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Those are 18-inch American Racing torque thrust all the way around it. It's also got Michelin ZR rated rubber all the way around it. There's a little spot in it. Good car, fun car. When I bought it, I probably put 15-20 miles on it. It was hot, I'll tell you that. I bought it at a car show and cruised it a little bit, and it was plenty warm. The temperature did well. Like I say, the car did very, very well. Front disc brakes. Again, aluminum headed 454 underneath the hood here. Holley dual feed 4-barrel, polished aluminum intake. It's got all the billet pulleys, 4-core aluminum radiator with a shroud, power steering, power front disc brakes, vintage AC. It's got a MSD Pro billet distributor in it. Air blows ice cold, I can tell you that. It's got I think I said this, but it's got a Corvette 5-speed manual trans in it. Good looking car. I love that red on red. These have been replaced. Those are brand. These things are beautiful. That's a hard job right there too. New mirrors, all this chrome and stuff is really nice. Door handles are great. New door rubbers. Interior was all new, new carpet, new sill plates. Yeah, they got a little heavy-handed with the glue there. So these seats, this center section here, I'm going to get myself in trouble here because the old school hot rod guys are going to like me. It was that diamond pleated material he put in that. I hated that. So all new seats, new padding, DNA Interiors did it for me. It was hideous to me. He'll probably call and yell at me for saying that. He was so proud of it. It's got an Ididit tilt column in it, factory steering wheel, a little SS emblems, got some little... Love that blinker tach, super cool. 33,635 on your odometer. Again, he said there's about 2,000 miles on the restoration. All the gauges work. He's got a temp gauge down there. He's not running a factory one. The only thing we couldn't get that radio to come on, it's brand new. Her shifter. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. 12 bolt 373 limited slip with the rear sway bar. So it's a nice package set up for cruising. Runs good. I mean, it'll scoot. Definitely not crazy though. I mean, it's definitely something you can, you know, cruise, guys. And he'll tell you that. He sets them up to drive. Matter of fact, the bottom of this car, I can't remember the product he puts on it, but he puts a product on the bottom of them that, you know, just helps keep them nice and clean. And his last car was the same. Yeah, you can see the rear sway bar, billet aluminum cover on the rear. Again, floors are nice and clean. Car's got a good look. Again, good driver. The setup is cool. It's set up to cruise. I'm not sure what happened to our man there. Oh, it's got, you can see the aftermarket AC box. We've got the glove box liner in the back seat here. When you put that aftermarket AC on it, it's too deep for the original glove box liner. So if you want to put a liner in it, you're going to actually have to go with the thin one. Her shifter. Again, you've got a center console there too. Good. Like I say, good car. Yeah, he's definitely replaced that A-pillar chrome. I don't know if you heard it, it's got that little mini torque starter on it. Car runs good. Like the air blows ice cold, Jordan's turn it on. That's a good car. It's got good sound to it, and not super radical, but it'll run. That's a nice package set up to cruise. Put some miles on this car. Blinker tach works, and this is, I think that's the coolest option GM ever came out with. Again, all your gauges do work, except for your temp gauge, which is down there. Parking brake works. Car's got good sound to it. Blower motor works. Again, we couldn't get that radio to power up. It's brand new, so I'm not real sure, guys. I'm not a radio expert, not even a radio guy. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by pushing that little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a video. That's how guys are getting to these cars so fast, guys. Jordy missed a shift there. Have a great day, guys.